Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all low budget affordable summer diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now why low budget or affordable diet plan? Summer season is one of the best seasons to lose weight very effectively and easily because you get so many seasonal water rich fruits and vegetables, and at the same time it's one of the seasons that you can definitely sweat out the best without spending a lot of money on your weight loss recipes or any kind of different foods. So recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great super transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with low budget affordable summer diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Starting with our early morning drink. Hydration is one of the most important key points that we should take care in summer season. So start your day with 2 glasses of normal room temperature water without any fail. Best if it is copper charged water or water from an earthen pot. Second option for your early morning drink is methi neem water. The recipe is super simple. All you have to do is simply boil approximately 1.5 cups of water, add some methi seeds to it, some fresh neem leaves, and let it boil for at least 2 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. People suffering from thyroid, PCOD, PCOS, diabetes should definitely consume this drink on alternate basis to give you good benefits of your disease management and does not let your blood sugar to spike very quickly when it comes to any kind of food intake as well, and helps in acne clearance, skin benefits and blood purification as well. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for low budget affordable summer diet plan. The first option is of course gonna be a full bowl of fruits, be it watermelon, muskmelon, mango, banana, whatever is seasonally available with you. Add it to a good full bowl of it and have it for your breakfast. If you add watermelon or muskmelon, it's a good quantified water rich fruit. Hence you will not feel hungry for at least 4 to 5 hours when it comes to your breakfast intake of fruits. Proceeding towards our second option for breakfast. You can have sprout salad. Now sprouts are a great source of protein, fiber, calcium and fermented food, and hence it is a great source of probiotics as well. You can sprout moong dal or black chana. If you cannot have it raw, then you can of course boil it as well and add to this your seasonal fresh vegetables and fruits. You can add lettuce, cucumber, tomato, onion, whatever is available with you. Along with that, you can season it with fresh lime juice or lemon juice and pinch of black pepper powder. Avoid any kind of raw salt added to it. And the third option for your breakfast is you can have one besan chila. Now besan in itself is a very good source of protein intake, so definitely you can have one besan chila. The recipe of my besan chila is here, in which I incorporate lots and lots of vegetables into it and enjoy it with some mint chutney or curd or raita. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option for low-budget affordable diet plan. The first option for summer season, which is one of the best options, is you can have one fresh coconut water if it's available with you. Do not use the packaged one as it contains lots and lots of preservatives to it. Enjoy one fresh coconut water and it's a great source of electrolytes, natural form of hydration and amazing for your skin and hair benefits as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have my recipe of mint lassi. Super easy to prepare, very healthy in each and every manner and great for anti-inflammatory properties out there. The recipe is here, you can check it out. These both the drinks will help you to cool yourself in this summer season and also provide any kind of inflammation in the body at the same time. Proceeding towards our lunch options. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is you can have veggie pulao. Now the complete recipe of my vegetable pulao is yet again here. It contains lots and lots of fiber because I have incorporated lots of vegetables which are seasonally available with me and less amount of rice. Now this particular meal gives you good amount of fiber also and good amount of carbs also. So you can enjoy your vegetable pulao and have it with a good full bowl of curd or raita, and definitely not to forget a good full bowl of salad to give you good again fiber. Second option for a lunch option is you can have veggie dalia. Now dalia in itself is a great source of protein, prevents any kind of constipation and also helps in great amount of weight loss as well. Anti-inflammatory property benefits, diabetic friendly and great for people suffering from PCOD, PCOS or thyroid as well. Incorporate lots and lots of seasonal vegetables to it and prepare a good full amount of it and have it for your lunch. Along with you can have raita or curd or salad as well. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options for low budget affordable diet plan. The first option is you can have tea, coffee or green tea as per your own preference if you like having it for your mid-evening snack. You can prepare it iced also or black tea or black coffee also. Now second option is if you cannot have this, you can have my recipe of lemon goond katira water. Now goond katira is a type of gum which helps to control your nose bleeding, which is very often caused in summer season due to excessive heat, and also decreases the temperature of the body. It helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system and also gives you proper bowel movements as well, as it works as a natural laxative. The recipe is super simple, you can try it out here. Proceeding towards our dinner options for low budget affordable summer diet plan. The first option that I can give you for your dinner is you can have fruit chia pudding. Now chia pudding is again a great source of fiber and also super easy and super quick to prepare as well. And here is the complete recipe of how I prepare my chia pudding. Super easy and takes only 10 minutes to prepare it. All you have to do is soak chia seeds beforehand so that you have meal prep for it and enjoy your tasty delicious chia pudding. Second option for your dinner is you can have black chana salad. Now the recipe of my black chana salad is here. Super easy to prepare, and all I have done here is I've added some overnight soaked and boiled black chana, at the same time adding lots and lots of fiber to the salad also. It helps in giving you good amount of protein for the day and also a great source of fiber to help you freshen up in the morning itself very easily. Check out the complete recipe and follow it as per the given instructions and you'll love having it. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink for this diet plan. For bedtime drink, you can enjoy your ajwain jeera tea. Now why this tea is amazing for your weight loss benefits? Because it helps to cut your belly fat and reduces all the water retention, bloating, any kind of swelling in the body as soon as possible it can. And amazing weight loss and fat loss benefits are seen with this tea. Make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail with this diet plan to help you with your hydration levels, remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and to give you good skin benefits as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. To check out all my vlogs, what I eat in a day, how my diet goes each and every day, and what I prepare healthy and weight loss recipes, you can follow me on Instagram and stay updated for all the upcoming vlogs and recipes. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients lose weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. To then stay healthy and stay fit always.